Welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Flagstar bank account using your desktop. If you'd like to get access to your online banking account from your respective devices from anywhere at any time, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another future update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar, soon after you do that, go ahead and type in www.flagstar.com and press enter. You'll be redirected to the official website of Flagstar Bank. Go ahead and select your account type from the drop down at the right hand corner where it says log in. Click the drop down and select online banking, checking, savings, CDs, account option from the choices. Go ahead and type in your username in the next text box that appears right beneath. Now, type in your password for your online banking account. Once you're done and you have typed in your credentials correct, you can easily log into your account by clicking on the login button. But in case you don't remember your username, you can click on forgot your username link and follow the instructions to look for it. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password and you'd like to reset to a new one, click on the password link and follow the instructions. Finally, after typing in your credentials correct, click the login button and you'll be logged into your Flagstar bank account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.